Hello and welcome back to Unit 5 number 5. In this tutorial, we will solve another comparative cost exercise. Which bag of rice is the better value? We have bag P and bag Q. Bag P contains 1 kilogram for $3.25 and bag Q contains 5 kilograms for $16.5. Well, same as we did in the previous tutorial, we're going to have to calculate the cost of 1 unit. Well, bag P already contains 1 unit, so if the buy was bag P, then the price of the unit would be 3.25. But we need to find the price of the unit for bag Q, which is what I'm doing right now. 5 kilograms costs 16.5. Then 1 kilogram costs X. And we're going to do our cross multiplication. 5 times X is equal to 16.50 times 1. Let's divide both sides of the equal by 5. So X would be equal to $3.3. So our best buy for 1 kilogram is bag P, since it costs $3.25 while bag Q costs $3.3 for 1 kilogram.